Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your paid workup. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you this like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down. Then you click here on apps. Then you come to apps list here until you're looking for paid workup, or just click on search. Then here add here paid workup. It's going to show for you like this. Click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Click on for stop. Then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage here. Come to storage list here. Just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here. So then here you search for paid workup. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking,